All right, Uncle Winston, and we're back at Computex 2025. This time, we're going to be looking at some of the Radeon cards that ASRock has to offer. So let's start off with some of the new ones that you have.
Yes.
Let's go.
Okay, this time we are show demoing a lot of new products. First, you can see that we have white Tai Chi. The concept card is not only turn the black Tai Chi into white, we also add a LCD at the top side.
Oh, can I take it? Oh, you have to come up here and have a look.
Maybe you can go up to see here. We have LCD at the top, and with the different LED light effects. You can see that, right?
We see that too.
Yeah, this concept now is under development.
Yeah,
but we really have this product and may release later.
This is the 9070 XT.
Yes,
currently the kind of like decent model that I have.
More.
Okay.
So with the LCD, it become a more high-end model than the current Tai Chi.
Okay, this is the black edition, right?
Yeah.
All right.
And we go through. We also have a lot of 9070 ST.
The Steel Legend version.
Yeah, the Steel Legend.
Yeah.
And also the Steel Legend Dark version.
Dark version. Okay.
Yeah.
This one has a little bit of RGB at the top.
Yes.
This one has the RGB for the fans.
Yeah. More bright, more shiny.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right.
And also for the 9070 ST, now we have the Challenger.
The Challenger.
Before
more affordable,
time,
right?
Yeah. Before time, the Challenger is only for 9070. Now we have the ST model.
Right, XT model.
Yeah.
Slightly overclocked. Has more, a little bit of RGB here. Does the fans have RGB or no?
No, the fan is no RGB. We just have a little bit
on the top
effect.
right here.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
And also now the new GPUs.
Yep.
First, it's a AMD Radeon AI Pro R9070 Creator.
Yeah. So this is purely for creators, for you don't need an RGB for that. Right?
Yeah,
it's for a workstation.
Yes,
right.
Yes.
Okay.
For the workstation for Edge.
Yep.
And you can see that it's a very standard.
Oh, 32 gigs.
Yeah. You can see the GPU spec. It's more like the 9070 ST.
Yeah.
But with a double size memory.
Yeah. So more VRAM.
Yeah.
For the AI workloads or creative workloads.
When you install the same card, you can get more VRAM to load a more large model.
Yeah.
And you can see that we with a standard 2-slot design.
2 slots. So it's thinner.
Yeah.
And you can put more into the motherboard.
Yeah.
Right.
Later we can also see the live demo.
Yeah.
We have this card's live demo, and also the latest
60, the model just below, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Lower than the 9070 ST.
Yeah.
It's more.
This is the new one, like they mentioned, right?
Yeah. We just released this today. We have a Steel Legend and also the Challenger model.
Right.
You can see that more light effects, less light effects.
And also effects. I like the white and grey design of the Steel Legend.
Yeah.
Kind of really good for most PC builds.
Yes.
Very nice. And there's the Challenger has this 2-fan cooling system. Nice little bit of RGB strip right here. Again, the 9060s and 9060 XTs are just been released today.
Yes.
Right? So watch out for a review coming soon on those.
Yes.
All right, great.
And you can see for each like Steel Legend and Challenger, we all have 16 gigabytes and 8 gigabyte models.
Right. So available in 8 gigabyte models or 16.
So more choice.
More choices. Okay. We have some Intel. Is that what you're looking at?
Please come here. You can see that for this side, we have all Intel GPUs.
Right.
With you can see the current B580 Steel Legend, B580 Challenger, and also B570 Challenger. That's our current model.
Yeah.
And now, in this Computex, we also launched the Intel Arc Pro B60 GPUs.
Okay.
You can see that.
Is that the latest one?
We have 2 models.
Okay.
The creator models, the 2-slot blower fan design.
The blower fan design?
Yes.
2-slot?
Yes. And also the passive one with no fan, one slot.
Wow, 1-slot card?
Yeah. It would be easier for you to install more cards with the 1-slot design.
Wow.
And also you can see the B60, it's more like a B580 with double size memory.
Oh, excellent. That's why they come with 12 gigabytes of RAM for the B580.
Yes.
So this new one, the B860, has 24 gigs of VRAM.
Yeah.
So it's perfect for AI workloads, workstations, and that kind of stuff. This one has 2 slot kind of space size, and with the one blower. This one has 1 slot size with just passive cooling, no fans. Amazing. All right. So that's the whole lineup for the graphics card. So thank you.
Thank you for coming.
For the time. And be sure to check out our reviews on the latest graphics card from ASRock. Thank you.
Thank you.